Morning, ladies and gentlemen, how are we all doing on this fine morning? Yes, I am playing any music today, so this YouTube video live stream probably won't have any ads. But how are we doing? Good morning to Grumpy Monk and Sweet Sound Waves. Damn, that's a fire name. And Hone. What's up to Shrek over on Twitch as well. Let me just go and get my coffee and I'll be back, okay? Alright, hello everybody. Just needed to give me some sustenance for today's stream. There's a bunch of wood shavings on the ground. Did we miss the carving? No, we haven't even started yet, okay? That's just the mess that I have to clean up. How are we doing? So to those that have missed it, this is what we've been up to. So that's what we've cleaned up. We're actually going to be doing the head today. Are you going to be doing the head today? This is what we've done on our tiki so far. As you can see. But something we've got to do before we carry on, I want to clean up all of that. Like right around, okay? Right around. Oh yeah, that's in there. That's a tiki. And yeah, just been doing it as we go. The reason why I'm doing tiki patterns, just so we can revisit, so I can revisit the forms again. Because it's been a couple years. It's been a couple years. The last one I actually did one was back in between 2015 and 2018. So bloody long time since the last one. I think yeah, 7 years at most since I done one last time. But yeah, it's just a bit of revision to keep it fresh in my mind. What's up, Siamese Joe and Kiko Bear? What's up, Karibo? Morning, brother. from Instagram. What's up, brother? Just having some fruit. Okay, we'll probably do it for about 3 hours today. And then me and my family are going to go for our daily walk. What's up, Del Monte? Everything is going good, my bro. It's going to be a good day. Doing a lot more cleaning once again on the current piece that we're doing. And then we'll look at doing the face of it. What's up, brother man? La 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 la. Yum. Oh, cheers, brother. Oh, cheers for popping through, my bro. I'll show you what we've been up to. So we've been doing, I've been revisiting Tiki forms. So 2 different forms of tiki in there. Yeah, pretty much. Just trying to do 2 different forms in one. So we've been cleaning it at the moment, and one thing we have to do now is just touch up a few little spots so all over the carving. I'm just looking over it now. But all in all, it's in a good spot. Do you sell those? Yes, I do. I only have pretty much 3 carvings for sale right now. I've got one that one person's interested in. I just gotta find the email. I'll show you after this.
Type of girl I like to fill up on in the water, really wanna rock a boat like a hurricane in a perfect storm, Lord. Ask her where she on the way to. Said I holla Eva. Say she love
Yo, Adam FS1. Thank you very much for the 4 months as an Optimus Prime, my bro. Getting us started for the day. So here's one. You can see. I haven't put the eyes in yet. So someone from the UK is interested in this one. I just gotta get the email. So that's a popo. P-O-U-P-O-U. That's one. Will you, Demonte? If you're in America, I can't send to America. And then there's this one. This one's becoming quite famous. Oh, you're in London? Oh, yeah. If you're in America, we would have been shit out of luck. Oh, you're in Chile? Hola.
Now can we just talk, just take a walk, 1 minute and you will see. Oh, well, I did it
How long does it take? It kind of depends really. Like offline, it is faster. Offline does take, somewhat longer as per usual. What's up, Ganymede? How you doing? Alright, let's get our blocks. Alright. Have a lunch? Ooh, what's for lunch? I always ask my bro. I'm always gonna be that guy and ask. Ooh, okay. Damn. Alright, brother, I see you. Gourmet man. Oh, who knows? I might be coming back to California next year, hopefully, if I'm invited. I don't know if you guys have seen, but Blizzard ANZ, BlizzCon just got announced yesterday. And the last time I went, I was actually invited by Blizzard ANZ to go. So yeah, if we can get in on that, man, that'll be pretty buzzy to go again. You play well, yeah, brother. Since OG Burning Crusade. But yeah, man, if we get invited to go to BlizzCon again, that would be an immaculate W, because I will not say no to that. I would be so keen to go. I'll just chat a bit more and sip me coffee. Yeah, so I play on Illidan, the server. I don't really play on OCE servers. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, my friend. Felt like I slept bad, eh? What a name, my brother. What a name. You play Mop Classic? I did for a little bit and then I got burnt out on it in the first week, my bro. It didn't feel like Classic to me. Yo, Tomatoes Zoc. Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime as well, brother. Shout out to the Primers today using their Prime on the channel as we climb further to 500. Also, I got a package yesterday. Should we do an unboxing? Unboxing before we start? Okay, let me go get it.
Sometimes are you missing me? I wonder, 'cause I can get you out of my head. I need you to understand. Baby, it's you, you're the only one.
So we got a bit of a bag from you play Rocket League? Nah. So we got a bit of a bag from Aftershock, and it's filled with stuff. Shout out to Oris, okay? Okay, I don't know what's in it. Oh, obviously I can see what's on the top, and there it looks like there's some Crocs in it. Alright, some Aftershock Crocs. You can see Aftershock Crocs. Ooh, I see. Ooh, I see some wow stuff in here. Damn! Steel Series Wireless Aerox 9, the Wow Wall Within edition. Damn, look, it's even got the side buttons. Limited edition. Damn, I might leave this in the box. There we go. So we got some brand new Crocs. It is summertime, so W. Man, there's a lot of wow stuff in here. We got the headset as well. The Wow Wall Within Steel Series headset. What are these? Arctic Nova 7s wireless. Damn! What's this? Oh, another Aftershock t-shirt. Oh, I like these t-shirts. Another Aftershock t-shirt. Society. Oh, what's these? Oh, we got an artisan keycap. Hold on, chat. We gotta check this out. I think it's the sword, eh? Is it the sword? Oh, it is the sword. Hey. Damn, how do you like... You wouldn't want to push there, right? Damn. I wouldn't. Or do artisan keycaps just sit there to make your keyboard look cool? Who made this? Dwarf Factory is the name of the artisan keycap company. Shout out to Dwarf Factory, whoever you are. Okay, here we go. But wait, there's more. Ooh, I'm gonna put these on my keys. Now I'll never lose them. That's cool. Oh, corgi pin. I can put that on my lanyard too from PAX. Bro, that was cool. And then coaster. Aftershock coaster, I threw some of those out to the crowd at PAX. Some new socks. W, don't need to buy any more socks as well. Oh, some Aftershock stickers too. Got an air freshener for the car. I got the banana version of this, but it's run out now, so we got a new one. Now we got a Steel Series portie, Steel Series hat. Nice colour, very neutral. I love neutral colours, eh? And we got some of these things that I signed at PAX. Some of those. Oh, there's another pin in there too. A doggo one on a milk carton. What else do we have? Oh, another thing for my keys. An Aftershock one. I'm never losing my keys now. And we have a Steel Series mouse pad as well. Of the sword. And they gave me all the Wall Within stuff. Oh, that's nice of them. And we got a Horus chibi figurine. We'll open that, eh? Damn. Yo, what up, Thunder? How you, my brother? Thank you very much, Aftershock PC. Ngā mihi aroha as always. If you're in Australia and you're looking to get yourself a new PC, check out Aftershock whānau. They've actually made me a PC as well and they've sent one over. I collaborated with them at PAX Australia a couple weeks back now, and I ended up carving a panel for them on one of their PCs. Hey, that's a lot of goodies. So we're gonna open this. I like the lime green one, I won't lie. Oh, we got the white one. There we go. Oh man, I just saw your reel on Instagram and searched for your account. Hey, how you, brother? Love and blessings from the Sovereign Kingdom. Kohoi pai aina. Hey, aloha kakahiaka. Morning, my brother. I'd love to go there one day, my bro. Not just for the touristy stuff, but to sit down with the locals and learn, my bro. 100%. That's one of my goals in life, is to go to all the islands and retrace all my ancestors' steps, and at the same time too learning. Your viral reel, I don't know, I posted a reel this morning. Oh yeah, and it was about, you know, what did I say? Oh yeah, you know, if you're having a bad day, your ass is in the shittiest place in the world, but they still continue to grow. That was the video I posted this morning. Hey, happy birthday, Thunder. What you up to for your birthday, my bro? Thank you, Prince Da Vinci, for the Optimus Prime. Let me put this bag inside, and then we'll get into some carving, eh? Okay, let's not muck around. It's time to touch some more, eh? Let's touch. What about some guy? Oh yeah, the old clip. Reed Shooter, thank you for the Optimus Prime too, brother. Yeah, that's about 5 years ago now. I'm still surprised that's still going around, eh? That clip. You know, I'll acknowledge it for what it's done for me. It's changed my life and connected me with so many people from different walks of life around the world. But I still don't want to watch it, because I feel like watching videos of yourself is cringe. Okay. Yeah, I don't like watching videos of myself. What in a master, how are you, brother? Just putting our timber in the vise and then we can run it. Alright. Here we go. You ready? Loving the vibe. Yeah, I just I'm on my island vibes right now, my brother. And that's an ad. I don't have YouTube Premium chat.
I brought the Cadbury favourites.
Ooh, Cadbury favourites.
Bring it with Cadbury Favorites.
Build a website
Well, I can't
you
even
love
skip the ad. What the hell?
with Wix. For your words, create your brand.
What the hell, auntie? Okay, let's go. Let's go, let's go. What up, Chef? How you doing? How you doing, nigga, Chef? It's a beautiful morning here in Aotearoa, New Zealand, chat. It is getting into the summertime. It is getting hotter. Lake weather is starting to call after school. So, yeah, I need to hurry up and go and cop a barbecue, chat, because ain't no way we cooking inside for the summer. Hell nah, hell nah. Your boy ain't trying to cook inside for the summer, I'll tell you that much. Hey, Brother Red, what a great soul you have. Thank you, my friend. As long as you are well and beautiful, you shall carry on. And that goes for everyone else in the chat too. And may our haters have a good day. And if they disrespect my culture in any way, may they get gout in their tailbone for the rest of Earth timeline. If not them, their descendants as well. What's gout like in the tailbone? I don't know. But whoever it is, unlucky youth. Where are we? Over here. So all we need to do today, or what I want to do today, is basically cleaning all the last minute stuff that we need to, straightening up some of the walls as well. That's a big thing. So we want to sort that out today as well. And around about 12:30 chat, I will be dipping out. As me and my wife go for our daily walk. My grandfather rings me this morning. He's going through a bit of a health journey as well. And this guy, all of 67, he tells me I'll try and get at least 15k steps in before I start my day. I mean, oh! Well, that's a wake-up call I need. Kia ora, Sammy Sandbags, how are you? What's up, Gioval? Hey man, I came across the videos on Instagram and had to give you a follow. Oh, cheers, brother. Welcome on through, my man. I've been enjoying posting on Instagram, my bro. Just trying to stay somewhat consistent. Need to try and get some more clips from the stream and just shoot some more stuff for fun. One thing I should definitely do is collab more. I feel like I just stay in my own circle and just do my own thing. Walking in his sleep before he wakes up. Yeah, bro, he's got a fast pace too. How about yourself, bro? Other than my tweaked neck from awkward sleeping, I am well. Yeah, so yeah, I gotta try and put my A into G. Jumped on the scales this morning, chat. We are at 138 from 146. Feels good, man. Calorie Despacito. My goal was to lose 20 kgs before the end of the year. I feel like I can lose a bit more. I might be, you know, able to lose a bit more than that. I feel like I can. When following from the shadows, you always gotta smile and love to share. You deserve everything. Your family loves you. I'm proud of you. Hey, appreciate you, brother Fred. I want that for everyone in the chats too, my bro. Like, to everyone that tunes in and watches. I hope everyone gets like that positive breakthrough that they need as well. Yeah, every time you know, like people say wish nothing but the best for you, it makes me think of everyone in the chat too. Always, brother, always. All good, brother. Appreciate you, my bro. Chilling, playing somewhere and listening to you. All good, brother. Do your thing. Do your thing. Yeah, so what I want to do is just sort these walls out. Oh, and I just broke a finger off. Let's fix that up real quick. Use my pencil. Queen Majesty, may I say to thee, so much I belong to me, to you. I don't know, man, every time I have fruit for breakfast I feel good. Orangutan diet. Were you watching Ireland? Nah, I wasn't, my bro. I was watching SKT. I was watching T1, my brother. For your queen. My boss has put in his resignation. One girl in the hospital. Other girl fell for a second. Something in her arm, so she's off for a week. And then now he's the boss because he's leaving. What an asshole. Man's just bring chilling till he leaves. What an egg. It's only natural for me. You're the world's most beautiful girl. It's only natural for me. Be so protective about you. Oh, my sweet Hawaiian girl. It breaks my heart to see There we go. Full drunkard couldn't string 2 words together trying to sort out the roster because he was too scared to ask me to work more. Ain't no way, brother. From South Africa, we'll love. With love, brother. Keep it up. Hey, thank you very much, my fellow brother from South Africa. Appreciate you, my brother. How long does it take to complete a carving? It generally depends. Online, as in on a stream, it does take a little bit longer. I like to have a yarn. I like yarning while I'm carving. A lot of people think carvers like complete silence. We're like, hell no, we like gas bagging. You got any tea? Of course I will listen. Offline, brother, definitely, you know, faster. They're boring, eh? Boring, bro. Got no one to yarn to. Oh man, my neck is so sore. Baby, I apologize for those lonely days and those restless nights. You got me by your side, and when you cry, there's one sensitivity is inside. When all I wanted was to make you smile. Only a few little bits here and there, and then we start thinking about what kind of design we're going to do. Maybe we'll draw up the body today. Sorry, Chad, my neck is just a... Oh no, we won't draw up the body today. We'll do the head. Yeah, bro. It's affecting me a little bit because I'm looking down all the time at the carving, but I'll stubborn my way through for you guys, chat, don't worry. Yeah. Little wood pegs, check.
Wait a minute, stop what we're doing, because I got to tell you now what's on my mind. We've been at this for some time, and I just want
Turn like Batman, pretty much, bro, pretty much.
body's feeling just as strong as mine.
Let's I think what we'll do is clean up this arm and take the pen off.
It's brand new to me. You see the butterflies,
Take the
my
pen
bones
off.
get sweaty. My thoughts
Clean in the corner of the arm on the flat side here.
got this kind of effect on
That needs to be cleaned a bit.
so maybe we can
Just in here.
sit down and just wind down and speak of all the many
Flatten this out a bit more.
stick around.
And then after that, there isn't really anything else to do.
Love me a little more tonight.
So we're doing good.
Say that your heart belongs to me, 'cause my heart is yearning for you. Baby, I'm
See
forever
which way our grain's going. Alright, we're going this way.
Say that your heart belongs to me, 'cause my heart
This is what we might have to do. Hold up.
baby, I'm forever loving you.
Hey?
I'm gonna hold you
Yeah.
down tomorrow.
We'll go for another walk today.
Down today. When I say it's you, I mean it. I mean it. He means
Hey?
it. I mean
Money now? For what? You making me wanna hug you. You wanna come to Papa? How to make your Papa? How to my honey? Hey. Oh. Papa got the Batman nick today. Yeah, hey. For TOS, yeah.
What's TOS?
Terms of service, like rules and shit.
Ah,
What were you gonna say?
no, thinking about price.
Oh.
No,
Go, hey.
it's completely random.
Hey,
Yeah, but it's like
I kinda wanna know now. Let's go now. Hongi. 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 I'll bring you in some. Yeah, my bro, she's growing up. Next thing you know, she's gonna be one. Hey. You do our face again? Good. Ducky. And say hi. Kia ora. So I just haven't had my morning cuddles yet. Hey. If you're wondering, oh, she's a bit lighter than Brox. It's my kid, just look at her nose. Hey, my baby. Baby bike week. Whoa. Here's one of my wires, chat. Hey. Oh look, we got a hype train. You wanna say thank you? Kia ora. Ngā mihi for the hype train. Okay, I'll take it back inside. Hey. Hari ki roto i te whare? Hara mai. Oh, I got a sore.
Well, this is a bit precarious. If this was a film, the jacket would probably start to rip at this point.
Yeah, but this is a Macpac.
Oh, backpack.
I think someone's coming. Ooh, this is a bit precarious.
That's what I was saying. Yeah, that's what he was saying. After a surf, I'm always so hungry.
It's the first thing you think about when you get in.
We like to treat ourselves on occasion, every occasion.
Oh, not the YouTube ad shit. Okay, let's carry on, eh?
30 deals, all November long, only in the Macca's ad.
So I just haven't had my morning cuddles chat, so I had to get those in real quick. Okay, let's carry on, eh? Sorry. I was just appreciating the grape I just ate. I was just deeply appreciating the grape I just consumed. And funny thing is, it was a red one. That was a red one. Oh, shit, that is a red one. Oh, thank you very much, Adopts, for the Optimus Prime, my brother. Appreciate you, my friend. Appreciate you. We gotta go and get a Christmas tree too, kid. Hey, appreciate you, brother chef. Yeah, so she's about 6 months now. It's Ducky. That's her nickname. I called her that on the first day we got to come home, because she had such a big, oh, she had duck lips, and she has juju lips, and I've called her Ducky ever since. So yeah, that's my little ducky right there. Yeah, pretty much, my bro. One thing we gotta mark out as well, straighten these up a bit more along here, for the point when we start, just for the point when we start bloody just marking out straight lines, just a straight box, just so we can fit it all in. Yo, what's up, Northermy? How you doing? How you doing, my friend? Have a good day and hope the masterpiece shines with the mastery of the craft. Hey, appreciate you, Grumpy. Have a good day, brother. All the way on YouTube. Appreciate you, my friend. Appreciate you. Sorry, I keep talking like Pata. Fuck my neck, bro. My neck is no joke. I might just skip TikTok today. So I just gotta send the message out. Hey, Tuka! Oh, he went to Ireland. From over the east. Hey, tech lover. Well, I don't know if I'm in the east, but I'm in the south too. Maybe southeast, maybe. How you doing, my brother? Sorry, Chad, I'm trying to do like 3 things at once. I apologise if I'm not being very entertaining. Sorry, it's let's get hands on now, eh? Yeah. See what I did there? And then, so what we're gonna do, so I gotta take off all this pen here, just so we can get a better idea of how much excess timber we have, so we can kind of line it up even straighter. I feel bad, eh? I better bring TikTok into it. Better bring TikTok into the mix, chat. Seems like
Tastes like your kid when you play of the day, and not just because it's their turn. Original Kiwi dip, the one.
it seems like that video we posted this morning is
A
popping
refined
off.
cream formula.
What's up, Artemis?
It's just what you need for touchably smooth skin. And a hypoallergenic wax formula.
Sorry, chat, just let me go get my daughter's iPad. Sorry, chat, my daughter rolling her eyes at me taking her iPad. Bloody teachers only day today. So annoying, man. Okay.
this one
Robbie
is Mum and Dad
underscore
drinking on a
tax
Wednesday
JX39.
again. What are we saying?
Hey, thank you, Robbie. Just need some background music. Okay.
Robbie underscore tax JX1.
Thank you very much for the biddies, my bro. Another one. Mother. I don't know if I want to listen to this mix. I feel like I am drinking with my aunties and uncles. Oh gosh, yes. I feel like I am drinking with my aunties and uncles. Oh gosh, yeah, that was giving drinking with auntie and uncle. Wow, that blend.
I'm not looking for no lovers, but I am looking for love.
Well, good morning, TikTok. Thank you for your call, Lula. Or Coco, I should say.
Girl that I can continue to be true. So listen to me now. She's got to have older hair with beautiful eyes. She has to be Miss Independent, wants with a perfect smile, with a good head on her shoulders. She keeps it real. She knows how to survive. I'm looking for a girl who will ride with me, take a trip to the sky with me. Always ride
How you doing? Hey, what's up, Tribal Chief? I'm doing good. How you?
put a smile on my face with a single kiss. Baby, can you tell me the truth? Baby, can you tell me the truth? I'm not looking for no lovers, but for someone to be there for me.
Hey,
Someone to hold my hand
we're
and
just sorting out these figures in there. Here, I'll leave my pencil.
someone to be my one and only.
Oh, that's good, eh? I appreciate you, brother. How you doing?
She listens to my
Thank you, Tribal Chief.
she conversates with me. She loves me through our good times. She loves me when she hates me. She's always there for me when I need her. Baby, can you tell me the truth? Oh, baby, can you tell me if it's you? I'm looking for a girl who will ride with me, take a trip to the sky with me, always right behind me, never ever tell a lie to me, put
Your work is amazing. Thank you, brother. Yeah, we're just doing all the little things at the moment before we move on. Gotta think about this part today. Think about doing that section today and we'll be good. So just sorting out our hands, our fingers. Once this is done, then we can move on. After this hand, we'll come to this section here and straighten this out. Maybe I'll ridge it, I'm not sure. I'm still on the fence about it. Like heavy. Thank you, Mark Slate.
Like sand falling through an hourglass, I'm waiting for you, baby. Patiently, you don't need to rush. Just know I'm counting on you, lady. Here with my arms wide open, I put it out into the universe.
Are you going to BlizzCon next year? If Blizzard ANZ invites me again, I will. But yeah, I'm not sure yet. I'd love to go. I'm pretty hyped for the announcements though. Say I was to go, right? I'd probably take a portfolio and submit it.
I've been holding all my feelings in, saving the best for you only. Don't have no other interest in those girls that I
So you never know it, never know. No harm in
we
trying.
both have options on the wire. But what have you really done in no captions? Just you try. Oh, 'cause you deserve only the best and nothing less, baby.
What native word is this called? This is called Rata. R-A-T-A is how you spell this. It's more of a hard timber, similar to this mallet right here. So that's him right there. I didn't even know I had this piece of timber till I cut into it. And then saw what it was and oh, I was surprised, but here we are now. Making a ticket.
Sitting by the phone waiting for you to call. And if given the chance, I'll be your friend. Out of all the loves that I've ever known, you're the only one. Oh, and I try so hard to play it cool, but you don't know what you do to me. Whoa, yeah, yeah, yeah. So there you go again, nonchalant with your friends. No, you can't pretend that you don't see me looking good. So until then, I'll be waiting.
Good job, man. Thank you, brother. How you eat, my bro? I'm loving these island jam mixes, man. I love them. What's up, DJ Doc? Appreciate the raises, my brother.
It's just you and I. It's alright to let your guard down for a minute. Hey, no need to front. I know that you're having fun. It's okay to smile every once in a while.
Fell in love with your orang again. Still wish I had outlook on life. Hey, you know, just take your time with life, brother. You all know it's not a race. Trust me, I have my bad days too, my brother. The things I do to get over that hurdle that help for me personally is the gym. Just going outside, my bro, disconnecting for the day. Turn the phone off, but take it with you just in case of emergency, of course. Turn the phone off, log out. Just have a full-on log out there, my bro, and just focus on me and the fans for the day. That's one thing I enjoy doing, my bro. Love from Finland. You see Lithuanian person. Oh, is there someone in the chat? Man, my neck is in pain, bro. Yo, brother Miles. Yeah, how you been, my brother? Miles the Papa. Hope you're well and looking after yourself, my brother. Good to see you again. Been up to, my bro? Thank you for the 14 months, brother. Yeah, I've got Batman 2 Nick today, chat. I slept funny, eh? I slept funny, oh man. It's annoying. I can't even look right up without feeling sore. Ow. Hey, what's up, brother? Hope you're well and beautiful, my bro. Looking after yourself physically, mentally, and emotionally as well. Everyone else in the chat too. If you're having one of those days, I want you to get off the internet. Unless the stream is helping, then stay on. But if you're having one of those days, just log off and go for a walk. Don't be outside. Love some Maori. Yeah, me too, brother. I'm vibing with Ray. He's coming to the country too, but I can't go. Yo, AE Gamer, thank you very much for the super chat, my brother. Keep up the content. Appreciate you, my brother. Thank you for the $7.29 AED. What country is that? Hey, kia ora, my bro. Living in Japan recently, moved there from Hawaii. Woo, what a change up. Great to listen to some Hawaiian music while you work. Yeah, brother. I've always loved Hawaiian, Hawaiian music. How's it been, my bro? Obviously, it'll be a big change for you going from Hawaii to there. What took you there, my bro? Work? Thank you very much, brother Dustin. How are you, hello? Well, since you last saw me, I hope you've been looking after yourself too, you know?
Type of love fire. Asked her where she on the way to. She said, like, yeah. Say she love the North Shore. Bikini top, black Scots, and then board shorts. Can I wait?
Your family's good, my bro. There's our second girl was at school today, but our big girl was home. She's got teacher only day today. So bullshit, I'm not gonna lie. How the hell do you have 2 teachers only days at the end of the year? I give my mate shit because she's my daughter's teacher. It's like, bro, what's up with these teachers only days?
She wants to know everything that's about me. Are you single? What is your age? She's kinda hesitant.
But so our big girl's home today along with baby as well.
So surprising. I was a stranger.
Baby was just on the stream a little bit earlier.
Now can we just talk?
Needed to get those this morning hugs in check because I didn't get in.
I can tell by your eyes you wanna swing my way. Be your love that for real.
Been a big transition, my dude. I've lived here before and finished. Oh, okay. No way, honestly, so beyond the big cities, it's not much of a culture shock. Oh yeah, please tell me that's not the Christmas border. Yes it is, Ninja. It is. And you know what? The only reason why my Christmas tree is not set up because our kids broke our last one last year and I haven't gone to get another one. I like setting up the Christmas decorations, but I fucking hate hearing Mariah Carey, Michael Bublé's voices at the same time. They can stay in their cave till the first. Sabotage, Gil, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime. Right behind that is Ninja with the 21 Moncarinos as an Optimus Prime as well. Appreciate you, my brothers. Yeah, I love Christmas cheer, but Mariah Carey and Michael Bublé gotta find something else to do. It's been too bloody long, I think, today. Yo, Delirious, thank you very much for the compliments, my bro. Oh, the music is the jam. Yeah, I can say that, yeah. Don't know why that got blocked. Country boy,
where everything wild and free. Grew up where the grass is green. You know I keep my roots in the country. My papa said, where my whiskey, where my eyes. Vibe is good, so play it twice. Call your mama, it's a mood. Everybody feel it soon. Grab your buckle, kick your boots. See your daddy feeling good. Got the speaker in your place. Cause you're mashing up the place. We ain't got to go nowhere. We ain't got to go nowhere. We don't want no life in the city. High rise might be nice, might be pretty, but no, I keep my roots in the country.
Thank you, brother Bane. Cheers, brother Ed. How you doing, my bro? I've had an idea. I've got an idea for what I'm gonna do about these Riftbound cards that I've got. I'll message it to you, my bro. Oh man. Oh, cheer, brother Terry. Oh, that's all of us, my brother. Bro, my neck is so weird. Bro, I slept on the pillow too. Maybe it's my body telling me summer's on the way, cuz time to get back on the floor. If you don't know, chat, I sleep on the floor in the summer. It's too hot. Love from the UK, much love, my brother. What's the age? Must be pretty late in the UK.
When the time gets bad, you don't
hand, bro. Yo, Terry. Thank you very much for the meteor shower, my bro. Oh, and the galaxy. Oh my days. Sorry, I gotta go back because I know what I missed on while I was carving. Thank you very much for that, brother. Thank you, my bro. Hey, love you too, my brother.
Yeah, love can work out sometimes. Are you missing me?
Yeah, I've had an idea. I cooked me a couple rough down packs
I
finally.
need you to understand. Baby, it's you. You're the only one for me. You're amazing. My life's
Hey,
never
thank you
been
for the
so
100
bright.
goodies, brother.
You are amazing.
Maybe get back in the garage, brother. Finishing my carving off chair. Nice, my bro.
You
That's
know
the
I'll
one.
be there no matter what happens.
Take your time, my bro. Do it your own
It's
pace.
just that passion to love and to find.
And eventually you'll get to the finish line.
All I want is you. You're all I need to get by. You're all I want, love,
Hold up.
in my life. You're all I need to get by. You're all I want in my life. Baby, baby, she-do, she-be-do-be-do, she-do, she-be-do-be-do, she-do, she-be-do-be-do, she-do. Oh, you're my everything, girl. The sunshine in my world. You know you are. Never stop to love.
Is that Poizikawa? This is Rata. I've got some Poizikawa though. But a small one.
Reaching out to all the lovers inside the dance right about now. Ready to meet ya.
Queen Majesty, may I speak to thee?
Oh, baby's crying.
So much I've lost
Difference between Rata and Poizikawa? Smell it.
to you.
Yeah, sniff it.
Alone. Truly I agree. I'm not of your society. I'm not the king, just a mistress. But my song to you I sing.
There you go.
Just a minstrel.
So 3 different levels. Down, down, down.
A world just so far apart.
For you. Hey, what up, a tree? How you doing?
See love,
My brother.
hey yo, bring. The royal queen by your queen, so
That
pretty
actually
and
looks. No, you need to smell Maori. If you don't know what Maori is, team when that's outside of the country,
keep you with fun and never leave you behind.
I've actually got an example for you guys.
I love you so. Never ever ever gonna let you go. Just a minstrel. I'm trying to hold myself right now. I know you've been watching a lot. Sometimes my heart feels like it's gonna hit the ground. Every time I look in your eyes, I'm gonna have to keep myself together as long as you're around. Every time you come out in sunshine weather in my little hero town, it's only natural for me to feel this way about you. You're the world's most beautiful girl. It's only natural for me to be so protective about you. Oh, my sweet Hawaiian girl. It breaks my heart to see my island kings do nothing but use and abuse them. Thinking they can take that beauty away.
So this is Rata, okay? Hey, stupid Flanders. How are you, my bro?
Woman that looks just like her. So I could never live with myself if I had to hurt something so precious. It's only natural for me to be so protective about you.
Hold up, I'm just sorting out our camera. How we doing? Here we go. I'm watching Team Saw Red Arrows. Are they a team? I don't know what they are. So this is Maori. Oh! Oh, flying jets. Oh, thank you, brother. Thank you very, very much for that, my bro. Appreciate that, brother. Okay, that's enough now, brother Terry. That's enough now. I appreciate you there, my bro. So this is Maori, as you can see. A lot more yellow. So this timber here, you can see the color, you can see the grain, you can see the grain there. Maori smells awesome. If you like the smell of pungent piss, then yes, it must smell very awesome. My wifey visited the carving school in Rotorua. You know that place? Funny enough, I am a graduate of the 42nd intake, graduated in 2018, my brother. I am an old boy of that school. How did your wife like it, my bro? Yes, so this timber smells like piss after you've had 2 plates of asparagus. And there was, okay, I've got a story for you. Some of the new students had started, and they asked, how do we identify Maori? And I told them, eat a wood chip. Yeah, and he ate one. I didn't think he'd do it, but, oh, he ate it, and I went, oh, you just smell it. Yeah, made him eat a wood chip, and I didn't think he'd go full ball in. So yeah, he went full ball and ate it. But yeah, this has quite a distinctive smell, Maori. And like when you're using an angle grinder on it too, the fumes can very well be poisonous too. Very poisonous. But this isn't mine. It was actually before me. It was carved by my late cousin and my grandfather, who's the chief of our tribe, who gave me the family heirloom I've shown on stream before. He gave it to me to finish, and he said, "Give it to the next son in our family." And I went, "Yeah, okay." Obviously, I've got 3 girls, so yeah. But my cousin has 2 boys, and I'll probably just give it to her, because the 2 brothers, her older brother, yeah, unfortunately he's not around with us anymore, and as I say this, do not be afraid to open up, okay, especially here. If you don't have anyone in your life that you can open up to, just know that I'm always here. I go live as much as I can in the evenings on weekends, right? Because my cousin took his own life, okay? The one that was doing this. And our stream might be disconnecting a little bit. Yeah, my cousin took his own life. And my uncle, my grandfather had asked me to finish this. Thank you very much for the car pies, my bro. So that's why I always say, whenever I have this piece in my hand, speak up. You're not alone. Your battles are not just for you to fight if you need to reach out and ask for help, you know? If there's no one, like I always said, if there's no one within your family or your close circle that you can talk to, who's winning this weekend, Samoa or the Kiwis? I don't know, I'm going to be focused on T1 versus KT. Yeah, just know that you can speak up here. That's always been something I try and prioritize as streamer or Brox, is the mental health of my viewers. I hate saying that word, the mental health of the people that tune in. I'd rather say that. So yeah, I've had this with me for a while, and I'll probably give it to one of the sons of my cousin, who's the younger sister to the brother that did this. No shame with it. Yeah, brother. Everyone knows that you can reach out here. Seeing good things about him. That's good. I hope there's no bad. Although, you know, I tend to get a little bit cheeky in gaming. You know, I may have played Jax last night and curb stomped the bloody set top, and I may have spammed the laughing emote a little bit. Okay, just a little bit, not too much. Thank you very much, Q Beast, for the follow on our kick as well. Yeah. Sorry about that set that was top lane last night. They got the absolute lamp smashed out of him. Kia ora, uncle, currently competing in the Aussie Cup of Championships. Oh, true, Aussie one, true.
It's so hard now, I never get to see
When is that on now?
Same old
Hey, what a
happy
beast.
roses.
How are you, brother? Where you from?
Soft centers.
Thank you, K-Wave, for the rose.
Go to a website you love.
What is up with these YouTube
With
ads?
Wix. For your
Yeah, so
words,
that's always going to be the main thing that I always prioritize. Weird, I was emoted on recently.
your breakthrough.
Yeah, I only like playing Jax because he fights with a
Feeling a vibe?
street lamp.
Run with it.
Or
From
well, the
give
fire
it
of the
away
Kathia, but
to
you know,
gotta have it.
imagine getting absolutely
Make every
the shit
detail
beaten out of
yours.
you by a street post.
Bring out what's hot.
I guess that's why I like
Remove
Jax a
what's
lot.
not. Crystallize it.
Bro, these YouTube ads last longer than me on the toilet.
Set a tone
Holy
that
crap.
speaks in your voice to your
Nah, that's a lie. I'm at least a good
Your
30
site
minute
grows
man.
with you. Add solutions that
Add
meet you
another
where
10
you
minutes
are
because I'm on TikTok.
and
So
take
40 minutes all
where you
up.
want to go. Smooth to make, easy to love.
Thank you very much, Flying Warthog, for the confetti. Where are we? How are you, brother Luke? Hey man, always love your videos. Cheer, brother Brandon. Oh, you from South Africa, my bro? So I real love you on Insta, but I saw you in here again. Oh, cheer, my bro. Cheers for tuning in all the way from South Africa, my brother. So if you're wondering what I'm holding to, this is a tifa tifa. This is one of the many weapons that we have in our culture over here. A weapon that is not, you know, given to everyone in the tribe. Now, the way I was taught is you hit with this side, you know, honk, honk. I see a lot of people that hold it this way though, and yeah, the way I was taught is that's the part you strike with. So, what was the last tifa tifa I made? The last tifa tifa I made was a two-headed one. So it had one head at the top and one in the middle. So yeah, one of our close quarter weapons that we have within our culture too. I just brought this outside to show you guys what Maori looks like. Wainui and Ngāti Hine. Oh, gee, too much alright. It's good to finally find you, bro. Hey, what's up, is it P. Baldwin? Are you Alex Baldwin's nephew? Yeah, I gotta put the screen down, but all the sun's shining on. Chat, if you're wondering why my neck movements are as cooked as a cooked bully's chicken, I slept bad on the pillow, so I got the Batman turns going on. PJ, oh okay, my bad, brother. I just listened to Somewhere Over the Rainbow again. That is a good song. That is a very good song. Yo, what up, Nimbus? How you, my bro? Bro, my neck is killing me, brother.
Oh, that's 22 cheers, Dex 200.
Thank you for the biddies, my bro. What's cooking? I was gonna say something. Me and your mom. That's what. Nah, I'm joking, brother. I'm joking. It's actually your name. Nah. I'm joking, bro. Sorry, I'm cheeky. Okay, okay. Cut it out, you guys are making me silly. Okay. As long as everyone finds the laughing in it, that's all. Have you All Blacks jersey? Free. Oh, I'm too tight to buy one of those, bro. Too much money. Maori Viking design. Oh, yeah, there's probably someone that's done it, brother. Maybe. Oh. Bro, this YouTube video is getting flagged hard, bro. Alright. Sorry, Jet. Ah. Draw some tattoo designs too. Think I found it. Been looking for a wholesome stream to draw some. Oh, nice, brother. How long you been tattooing for, my bro? Where you from, brother? I'm from Aotearoa, New Zealand, my bro. Sorry, Jet. Score prediction for the game on Sunday. I don't know. I'm going to be watching T1 versus KT. I'm more interested in that game. T1 on top, hopefully. Okay, let's get back to it, eh? Yeah, I'm going to be more focused on SKT, my bro. Yeah, different game, different game. Are you big into cricket? Not really, my bro, sorry. Okay, there you go. You ready? Get back into it? What kind of wood is this? This is Rata, R-A-T-A, my brother. You gotta visit New Zealand? Yeah, bro. Oh, you know, it's always here. So that's the beauty of it, my bro. Clean up these hands. Have you done a Manoia? Mini, my bro. Mini. So I started carving when I was 12 years old, my bro. And now I'm 34. Years old, my brother. Thank you very much, Lilac Summer. Thank you very much for the raid. No mai haere mai, welcome. My name is Brox. I'm a traditional Maori wood carver, all the way from Aotearoa, New Zealand, down here in the southern hemisphere, at the very, very bottom of the Polynesian Triangle as well. I stay on the giant petrified fish known as Te Maui, or to the common tongue, the North Island. How we doing? Welcome, no mai haere mai, and I hope you had an amazing stream too. How long does it take you to carve? It all kind of depends, my bro. Sometimes, you know, offline it does get done a lot faster. online. It does take a little bit longer. I don't mind taking a little bit long because I enjoy having a bit of a yarn along the way while I'm carving. That's why I always enjoy it, regardless of speed. But at the same time, you know, with streaming, I'm also doing carvings offline too that I can't really show. Oh my gosh, bro, my neck. Ah. Mighty kia ora from Christchurch. Kia ora, my bro. Originally from Christchurch, living in Ireland. Jeez, how the hell did you end up there, my bro? Don't mind the background noise, just playing a bit of kapahaka. Go. So because there's a lot of excess timber, we want to make sure we get a nice shape on all the fingers too. That is the main thing we always got to keep in mind, okay? Mars, majority of the time, yeah, pretty much. Oh, only the odd few. I'm pretty much just doing some carvings with people's names on it, and hence the reason why, which you can probably understand why I don't want to stream those pieces, just in case people try and, you know, Google people's names and they say, oh, I saw it on Brox's stream, so that's one of the reasons why I don't stream those ones. Just to, you know, respect the family as well. And, you know, privacy. Cheers, Elkie, man. I appreciate you, my brother. Your work is amazing. Thank you, Llama. Yeah, I haven't really done this particular form since 2015, between 2015 and 2018. So this is me having a little bit of revision right now, pretty much. Man, future wife, she's Irish. We moved over in 2019, married in 2020, and have two. Oh, nice, my bro. Cheers. That's cool, brother. Good on you, my bro. Okay, now We don't need to do anything on the fingers anymore. Thank you very much for the biddies, the cross emoji. Sorry, Challenge is trying to get through the pain right now. If I take breaks just to stand up and stretch my neck, it's for those particular reasons. Getting some commissions done. Oh, this one's more for fun. I've got 2 commissions that need to be sent to America, but I gotta wait for Trump to change his mind on the tariffs. Hence the reason why they haven't left yet. These carvings that I have. Oh man, going against the grain. Okay. We're doing a lot of hooting and hollering. That, sir, is called kapahaka. Hooting and hollering ain't got shit on kapahaka. Oh my gosh. Maori. How much does completed version of this carving cost? How much would I charge for this? Well, a smaller version of this goes for about $800 in wood. So, I don't know, maybe 12? 1200 maybe? Man. I'm just wondering if I ridge this or leave it flat as is. Thank you, brother. Yeah, so normally when it comes to like doing a tiki, you'd normally do the body first. The wood itself was so valuable. Yeah, bro. Yeah. Wood is gold, my brother. Wood is gold. I'm just wondering for here. Rata. I'm just wondering, so because I'm going to do two different designs on both sides. If I do one design on here, I might mirror it and do whatever design I do on this side on one side of these, because it's quite a blocked out variation. So I'll do it on one side and then do the design I'm going to choose for this side on the other. An option there. Just thinking about those kind of things as well. It's going to be interesting to see what design we do. Thank you very much, Timon's Foreskin, for the follow on kick. What a name. How high. Appreciate you for the roses. Thank you. Sorry I've been so slow with acknowledging you guys. And how high. Thank you very much for the Aroha. Just scrolling back. John McLeavy as well. Thank you very much. Also Hockstar, Colajat, and Jesus Perez, or Jesus. Hi Brox, you look like a Hawaiian. Oh, thanks brother. I'm not from Hawaii though, my bro, but I appreciate that, brother. Is that mama? Me? Oh, you're gonna get Bob's a present? Bob? No, you're good. You having a good day? Well, when Dad finishes mahi, we'll go and do something, okay? Yeah. You alright? Yeah. Love you. Mwah. Look after mum and baby, eh? Sorry I've been slow too, chat. I feel like I've been really slow today. It's because of my neck. Thank you, Billy. Hey, did I wait? Oh, jeez. I'm muscling through it, chat. Muscling through it. The stubbornness is getting me through. Kei te mata koe koe tonu. You're a legend, brother. You too, my bro. Aiden, thank you very much for the roses, my brother. Koe koe tonu. Koe koe tonu. Hey man, greetings from Bulgaria. Hey my brother, how are you? Haven't been on stream in a long time, been busy with work. Hey, you're all good, brother. Life be doing that sometimes, my brother. Hope work has been good though, my bro. I have been good, brother. Just chipping away at this piece right now. And yeah, just being a day as usual, my bro. Jeez, really stubborn this section here. End grain is disgusting. Go. Got that little corner out. Whew. Almost took yourself out. Alrighty. There's Buzo. I'm doing good, my brother. Work as usual, my brother. Gotta get through all this mahi, my bro, all this work. I need a break, check my neck. Do you sell to Germany? I can probably send to the EU when I know something. My wife is actually part German. How we doing, Fano? Sorry, yeah, my neck is like sore as shit pillow, bro. I don't normally sleep with pillows anyway. Not making that mistake again. CJ Fear, thank you very much for the roses. I don't have a shop, my brother, sorry. Alright. Oh, yeah, I just need to rest my neck, it's in pain. been carving in pain the whole time. But hey, I'm stubborn, so it's all good. I can't even look up fully without it hurting. Yeah, it's sore now on the side here, at the back. Bro, it's hot. Yeah, oh, today it's not too bad. I don't mind it. Not good. Yeah, it's all good, brother. How we doing? How we doing? Hello from Whakairo. Where's that? I'm finding out about all these new countries that I've never heard of before. Happy to be here. Welcome to the stream, my brother. Just wear that in. Wear that for the reach. Someone doing haka, that's just YouTube playing. Yeah. I gotta say, man, TikTok's automated mod thingy is dumb as hell. Oh, Curaçao. Oh, sorry, brother. From the Caribbean. Oh, okay. Just mowed the lawns and... Bro, why are you mowing the lawns at this time? You are a crazy man, alright? Crazy man. Thank you, It's All Mama, for the roses. Oh, for the hearts. Oh, wow, it's bright, eh? Love from Papua New Guinea. Hey, how you doing over there, my bro? Looking forward to seeing PNG in the NRL. Jaxie! Yo, appreciate you. Thank you very much for the galaxy. And R as well. I'm in NZ in January. Make sure you bring summer close. That's all I'm gonna say. Does your tattoo have meaning? Yes, it represents my family, where I'm from, and what I've been doing all my life, which is Whakairo, Maori wood carving. Raphael, that is me. How are you? How you doing, brother? What you been up to, Jackson? You actually got my favorite League of Legends character's name. Yo, mahalo! Aloha kakahiaka, how you doing, my brother? Thank you very much for the 3 years, my bro. Hope you're looking after yourself over there in the UK, brother, as always. And appreciate you. You already know, brother. Thank you, thank you. 3 years, bro. Nutty support, my brother. How you been, my bro? What you been up to? What's the plans for the weekend? So tomorrow it's gonna be a family day. Probably just go to the lake, stream in the evening. Sunday, I've got kabaka practice on Sunday. So I'm gonna be away all day Sunday, and probably evening stream again. So evening streams normally on the weekend, because that's my time to spend with the family. Brother, we all good here. Just grafting. Yeah, my bro. Long hours at the moment. Oh, true, my bro. Okay. Good to hear, my bro. It's been cool keeping up to date with your tattoos too, my bro. Thank you, Jaxie. And is it restricted? I think that's how you say it. User 667862155519. Thank you very much for the rose as well. We're just having a break right now. My the left hand side of my neck is like tie tears and it's sore. And when I'm looking down, I'm extending my neck too much. I think I just need to lie on the ground. Yo, Crayon, thank you for the roses too, my bro. How are you, Arcanite? And mahalo for the time during my lunch. Always good to see you. Appreciate you. See you again soon. Cheers, Mars. Have a good one, my bro. And shot for tuning in while you're at Mahi as well, bro. Are you working on Geralt at the moment? Start my One Piece leg in November. Damn, wait. What time? Who are you getting? What are you working on? We are doing this. So we've just been cleaning this up. You can see. So that's all we've been cleaning up there, getting that ready before we eventually dive into the head and carve that up. So normally with Tiki, they're not normally designed there all the time. Let me just put some more music on.
Need cash fast?
Not really. Unless you got the winning numbers to the lotto.
Power, broadband, and Kiwi Mobile.
Anyone else got some numbers for the weekend? It's at 40 mil. I couldn't imagine what to do with that money, eh? Probably give it out to my family and my in-laws. That'd probably be the main one I'd do. Yeah, that'd probably be the main thing that I do. You're gonna stay in it? Yeah, we'll stay in it, my bro. End of the month, getting a bunch of people straw hats. Oh, yep, bro. How good are you, Blackbeard, bro? Blackbeard, go Roger, little Ace really. Oh, nice, bro. Just making a whole big character piece. That's cool, bro. That's cool. Invest, yeah, probably. I'd buy shares in the Warriors. Buy shares in the Warriors. Yeah, and just carry on carving. Man, the sun bouncing off the house is bright, bro. Holy. Thank you, H. Taylor? Did I say that right? Did you say it was a tiki, like Hawaiian tiki or different? Maori tiki, my bro. Hey, Kamalama, how you doing? So, throughout the entire Polynesian Triangle, all the islands have their own specific way how they like to do tikis. You may see the similarities in them, but like for a tiki, it's a three-dimensional carving. For us, we call them tiko tiko. Tiko tiko is what we call our tikis, and this is what a tiki looks like in our culture. So a tiki were more within a pendant form, you know, much smaller than this, way smaller. And they were normally worn by wahine, from what I was told, because a tiki can represent, or where the tiki form actually comes from is from the newborn. How it's all huddled together, you know, baby scrunch and head length to the side. Normally a tiki's head, the way it's carved, is on an angle as well. And then, you know, there are some that have straight up and down heads too. So tiki are normally, for that reason, worn by women. Tiki also represent fertility as well. And there are sometimes tiki carvings situated around gardens, eh? Because, you know, fertility helps entice our crops to grow. At the same time, we name our tiki after ancestors too. Is it Madeline? Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime for 4 months. Kena, boy. Appreciate you. Are you the fella that went viral in the clip? Really? Oh, could be. There's a lot of clips out there of many people that went viral. But if it had to do with me standing in this patch of grass next to me, probably next to my clothesline. Okay, I'm starting to get a bit more mobility back. What's up, Petty? How you doing, my bro? Mahalo, Brian. How are you? Thank you. You good? Hey, what up, JT? How you doing, brother? Bro, I tweaked my neck, bro. Any remedy for us senior ones? You going next year? To where? Oh, to PAX? Yeah, I'll be going back to PAX next year. I enjoyed it. It was a bit busy this year because I was with the exhibitors more, so I couldn't really go out and enjoy Pecs as much as I did the first time, but at the same time it was cool. It was cool as to be a part of Aftershock. Will forever be grateful for the opportunity they gave me in order to showcase my culture on the main floor in PAX as well. That's something I always hold near and dear to me for sure. Tim Jr., I'm doing good, brother. Sold or for personal use? Sold majority of the time, brother. Scott Too Shot there, sounds like Scotty Too Hottie, the wrestler. Thank you for the Optimus Prime, my bro. Thank you. Oh my gosh. I don't want to put shades on because I look like a dick. Because I'm under roof, so yeah. Heating pack. Oh, heating pack. Oh, okay. Yeah, I slept dumb on the pillow, bro, because baby's starting to like want to sleep with us now, and bro, you know how a small body can take up the whole bed. I'm like, Annie, are you okay on the side of the bed? Yo, thank you King Andrews and Theo. Thank you very much for those roses. Am I Samoan? No, I'm Maori. Gosh, I think I need to get a water. Yeah, bro. Just slept awkwardly on the pillow without realizing, and then woke up and I had like the Batman turn. That's getting older pains. Yeah, I agree with that. I agree. You have a youngin' now? I've got 3. 7, 5 next week, and 6 months. Thank you, Spaceman. Thank you very much for the roses, my bro. Are you the Twitch guy? Sorry. Ooh. I might be. I am live on Twitch, Kick, and YouTube as well. If you want to go through and give those platforms a follow. We are currently at 455 subscribers on YouTube. If I can get 1 a day, I'll be happy. She's 7 now, yeah, my big girl's 7 now, bro. They got teachers only day today, so she's kind of just chilling at home. Hi George C, how you doing? Yeah, 7 years old. Our middle girl turns 5 next week, and she starts school next year. She could have started this year, but no point when the school year is almost over. What's your YouTube? It's just Brox, my bro. It'll have the verified badge on it and everything. So there's Brox Plays, and yeah, that's about it. Those are the only 2 channels I have. I've got a 3rd one, but I don't use it. Hey Milo, thank you very much for the roses. Thank you, brother Bo. Pretty clean, eh? Thank you, Vizier. Do you sell? Yes, I do. What's your favorite wood to work with? One that I don't have to pay for, my bro. That's always going to be my favorite kind of timber, brother. One that I do not have to pay for. Oh, man. Sorry that my pains have kind of ruined the viewing experience as well, chat. I stubborned it for as long as I could, and I'll probably do it again soon. Go take a break. Do you start from full logs? I've done a carving starting from a full log before, and then there's sometimes where we, these days, for big projects, it's best to laminate timber nowadays because you can't get like a single piece of timber that big anymore. How do you say your name? Brox. The H is just there to look cool. Thank you, Cody, for the roses. Are you the viral guy? One of our clips did go viral, my bro, back in 20... Wait, when was lockdown? 2020? I think whenever lockdown was. Oh my gosh, bro. Pin up here, brother. Up the ones. Cheer, bro. Up the ones, eh? Yeah, once again, I am, I try and not let my injuries ruin your guys' viewing experience too much. I just gotta say, seriously, the man, I'm alright, my bro. You grilling today on a barbecue? I still gotta get one, brother. I plan to get one though, because it's not worth carving or cooking in summer inside. I'm just massaging my neck, deep tissue one. Let you have a chat, my bro. Thank you, my brother. Yeah, I just start to feel bad when I'm not carving, because you know people come here to see that, not me sitting down being an injured old fart. You know about hardstyle music? Yes, I would never move that fast in my life. If I ever went to one of the, what are they called? Is that the one when they're punching around in the mosh, bro? If someone hit me, I'm cracking them in the jaw, bro. Thank you, 86 Bubs. Kia ora, brother. Just followed you on the platform. We are Maori to the world. Keep all the good money, brother. Always, my bro. Been at it for about 5 years online. Yeah, and I guess, yeah, we've made a lot of big achievements as a streamer in such a short duration of time too, and you know, always grateful for those opportunities. Even like being the most followed account, Twitch account in the country. But I always got to acknowledge the bro Quinn69. I'd say he's the biggest streamer in the country. He has been for a long time. And you know, with this current generation of new streamers, they go, who's that? They don't know Twitch culture. That's why. Do you think we look alike? Oh. No, CJ. Just using a photo of me. Don't know why. So I sound just like deep tissue vibes at the moment. Where's the viral video? I just put my name in the search bar. I will never go out of my way to look for a video of myself. I'm sorry, brother. I don't really want to watch videos of myself. Thank you, Miles. I got a massage gun inside. It was just out of the blue. There we go. What's the most views you've had on stream at once? About 29.8k. That's when we were on the full-on international Twitch front page for the first time. So that was that opportunity we got there, and that was a crazy stream. And now these days, they're just like normal view counts for some streamers, eh? Far out. Yeah, that's bloody crazy, my bro. Bloody crazy. Day 6 of November. You know why it's working for you, bro? I know what you're doing. You're watching all the videos that make you softer. That's why it hasn't worked yet. I see what you're doing. Yeah, bro, that was a crazy time, bro. Back when we had that much views. Is your back done? Nah, bro, it's my neck. I had a wretched sleep on the pillow. Thank you, Jaxie, for the coins. Wait, those are things we can use roses on, right? If they are, we'll use them on other TikTok streamers. Where do you see yourself in 5 years from now? Hopefully in a house of our own, probably with another kid. Hopefully skinny, than now. Not fatter. And yeah, still carving. I still see myself carving in 5 years. Yo, Gearless, thank you for the 59 months as an Optimus Prime, my bro. Still streaming on Twitch here. Twitch, Kick, YouTube, and TikTok.
Up and go protein.
Bro, freaking
Packed with
ads.
17 grams of protein.
I'm just gonna play game music because you don't get ads.
Polydent offers strong hold and superior comfort. If your mouth could talk, it would ask for Polydent.
No, it wouldn't. I'd ask for a free bloody Big Mac. Nah, Big Macs are trash. Here we go. You ain't fat, my guy. Yeah, getting there. Getting not so fat anymore. Hello from West Auckland. How are you in the whānau doing? I hope you're well. Kia ora, Western Auckland. Not premium. Bro, I do not want to pay for YouTube Premium. Hell no. I can wait. Everything is good over here in Rotorua, my bro. Hope everything's good in West Auckland. Kia ora, kia ora. Okay, yeah, getting a bit of mobility back, man. Just followed you on Instagram, real. Keen to drop a like and keep it up. Hey, thank you, Moxu. Appreciate you for coming through, man. Yeah, if we can get 1 subscriber every day on YouTube, I'll be happy. I'm gonna start saying that in my YouTube videos. My Instagram has been, for the last 2 months, has been going off, man. Favorite song, Togo? That's a good one. Bro, I had no idea the song was AI. That Yukon song? Apparently it's a Justin Bieber one and someone put a more chill AI vibe over it. Bro, why does it sound good? I've been jamming it and then I found out yesterday that it's an AI song. I was like, what the hell? Or they changed the tempo and the vibe of Justin Bieber's song. I was like, oh! Yeah, I thought it was an actual artist. I was like, oh, fuck's sake, I've been listening to an AI song this whole bloody time. And then I watched The Morning Shift, and they put a reggae beat to Many Men by 50 Cent. And I ain't gonna lie, it sounds pretty good. What's up, Gustavo? What's up, Sweet Raz? Cool apron, thank you, brother. I've always wanted one, and then eventually Aftershock got me one. Hey Enza, how you doing? Have you tried the big arch? What, the big arch from McDonald's? No. What was the last time I had from takeaways? It was Yamato. Yeah, I love Aftershock, eh? I'm always gonna have time for them. How long did your time walk take? 7 hours. The only reason why it took so long, because me and my cousin were talking so much shit. Liangs, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime. Do you mind if I just sit down and have a yapping stream for the last 30 minutes of the stream? Can you tell me the origins of Brox? So the way I got my Twitch name is basically for the only reason that I cannot come up with good names. So I dedicated my Twitch name to my favorite World of Warcraft character, Broxigar the Red. So that's kind of where I got the name from. Go for it, King. Yeah, I might just sit down and have a yarn with you guys. Oh. I still gotta go for a walk. All the way from Chile. Hola, brother. How much for the feku? 7.5. saw you on Insta and reminded me okay for a truly sweet person. Hey, what's up, Bings? Oh, Liang, sorry, man. It's a cool name though, I like it. Yeah, I just pretty much added the H on just to look cool. Try and look unique because BROX was taken. That's about it. Yeah, I suck at coming up with names, man. So, yeah, that's what we ended up with at the end of it, and I'll probably never change my name again. What's your favorite project you've made? There's a few, but I guess if I had to choose in the moment with you guys, it would be the first carvings I ever did on Twitch. Two big ones that we did, and they were made out of an old coffee table, pretty much. And the reason why, one of the particular reasons why I love those carvings is because it put my culture on, you know, on the map in terms of Twitch. Well, Twitch and social media, I'd say. Yeah, so that's why those, even though those carvings are not here with me anymore, I'll always appreciate those two pieces that we did on stream. Always. Coming up with ideas. Do you cope with some of the ways you can go for someone struggling with ideas? And what kind of context, my bro? Are you a carver as well? I have an answer if you're a carver too.
Hey brother, just dropping by before hitting the hay to wish you a good rest of your day. Hope all is well.
Hey brother Sketch Dave, I hope you've been good too, my brother. Thank you for the 100 biddies. I hope your art has been going good as well. Hope your art has been good, my bro, and have a good night and have a good sleep, King. I'll see you around. Where are we? Just making sure I'm keeping up with everyone. Minded me in a cave before the sweet piece. Thank you very much, Liang. It's a cool name though, I like it. It was better than mine. Ah, bro, I like Stupid Flanders there. It's a good one. It's iconic name, bro. Iconic name. Sorry, we're getting blocked terms on TikTok again. Bro, this is so dumb, man. Who do I talk to about taking this feature off lives? Is this your full-time job? I have been streaming full-time for about 5 years now. Yeah. Where are you from? Aotearoa, New Zealand, my brother. I study animations. I make cartoons and comics. Bro, that's cool. Have you got any to show? I reckon a big piece is overdue, bro. I have got a Whakairo hard on to do another big PC. I miss doing big carvings, bro. Straight up. I might ask my tutor, got any big carvings I can do? Just give me one piece and I'll get it done. Yeah, we haven't done a big carving in a long time, like a big one. Hey, what up, Rhino? How you doing, brother? It's legit been 5 years since our last one. You got some on YouTube? Yo, nice, brother. How long you been doing the comics for? One of our other viewers too. He's not around at the moment. Villa. He's a comic book artist as well, and I always enjoy following his work. Super years, keep on real smile, and make us feel. Hey, thank you, brother Pete. Also, I am ready. I really want to start playing Dispatch, bro. I finally got the game, but I'm saving it for stream. I have seen some of the character designs. I won't lie, bro. That big golem dude looks pretty cool. I think I'm gonna like him. Oh, thank you, Tritty. Bro, please stream that. Bro, I will, bro. Yeah, I haven't touched the game once. I need... Can you even put a Discord thingy on TikTok? This is the last time you had a big one. Yeah. I might see if my old tutor's got any big mahi that I can jump on. And if he can bring a piece over, and I'll just do it at home. Yo, Adam, thank you very much for the biddies, my bro. Oh, gifties, sorry. Sorry about that, brother. Thanks for letting me rest, chat. That was actually killing me, doing those. If you had a superpower, what would it be and what would you use it for? Ooh, if I had a superpower. Time! And I'll use my time travelling powers to go back to when the treaty was signed and say, don't sign it, they're all fucking shit. In Maori. That's what I'd use them for. Change the timeline. No, I don't even know. All for one. I'd have that. Exclamation mark Discord in the Twitch chat. Yeah, I'd have all for one. Definitely. But not the baby effects. Oh, that's cool to have connections like that. Yeah, bro. Yeah. Because I know a lot of my old tutors that don't work at Te Puia anymore, they're always doing big jobs. And they're always, got a lot of it. So I'll just ask them and hit them up if they need, an extra piece for them to get done without them worrying about it, then I'll do it. Where'd you get the tamako? My cousin Te Wehi Preston on Instagram. Check him out. The reason why I got it from him is because, from the same iwi, from the same tribe. And basically the reason why I wanted to get it from him. Same tribe, saying goodbye to my 20s, next chapter in my life. Have you thought of getting into tattooing? I could if I wanted to. Like, a lot of the art form of Whakairo actually transitions into moko. Which makes a lot of sense, and even if you look at it this way, Tangaroa is the god of wood carving and the god of the sea. The god of moko and tattooing is also Ruau Moko, who's the god of eruptions and earthquakes and who are siblings, so the art forms themselves tie into each other quite easily as well. But then again, wood is easier. Well, reason why I say that is because if you carve the wrong way, it's not gonna say anything. Yeah, I know a lot of my my tuakanas from Te Puia have transitioned into moko, like the Brokianu, shout out to him, Tutamure Art, if you want to check him out. If you could write a letter to send to the younger self, what kind of message would you tell them? Keep going and go to school on this day because your nan whooped your ass like it was the 80s. That's a letter I'd give to my younger self, with the dates of course. Yeah, I once did not go to school for prize giving so I could stay home and play Halo Reach. The ass whooping I got that day when she got home was worth it though. It was worth it. Would I do it again? Probably. Yeah, that would be the letter I'd give to my younger self if I could ever do that. What's your iwi tūhoi in Te Aroa? I like that question, that's a nice question. Oh my gosh, the sun, bro. I was Halo 3 man myself. Yeah, I didn't have a console back then. My cousin had an Xbox in order for us to play Halo 1, 2 and 3. Yeah, I didn't come from a wealthy family, but had a lot of fond memories with a lot of games. One of them being Halo 1 and 2 and Ocarina of Time, and many PlayStation 1 titles as well. Did you turn off donations on Twitch? I probably will this year again. I mean, Christmas is on the way. But then again, I don't really think I need to anymore. I think people get the idea. Yes, Christmas is on the way, chat. What's everyone looking forward to doing? I'll be honest, bro. Anything but being overeating. That's the last thing I want to do this year. because I'm really like knuckled in with my eating and training. Is it Giuseppe? Did I say that right? Food I'm looking for. Yeah, I just hope there's seafood there. Oh. Going to Carpeti Island? Damn, okay bro. Okay. How are you doing? I'm good today, my bro. We've done a bit of carving today, done a bit of cleaning. I won't lie, I just need to sit down because I had a shit sleep and I think I've tweaked my neck a little bit. I would imagine it's like swallowing a Viagra and it gets stuck in your neck. You can't turn it there much, eh? Too stiff. Not that I'd take one of those. I'd just eat some oysters. So, Spider Hoof, are you Maori? Yes, I am. Kia ora. Sub Junior 3. Oh wow, super nice bro. Hey, how you doing? How you doing, fella? Greetings, my friend. How are you doing? Also, has Outdoor Boys released those 3 videos yet? I don't think he has, eh? Do you know? Nah, I don't know anyone by that name. I don't think so. Kia ora, Carmen. Hey brother, what you? I'm about to watch some anime. Genuinely love you as a person. Yeah, the best day. Before you go, what are you going to watch? I need to know what you're going to watch before you go. Do the haka. Nah, it's all. To lock in with my diet. Yeah, bro, it feels good. I only just started doing my calorie deficit diet. When? Like a month ago. And yeah, I feel good. I feel good. I've lost, I don't know. I started at 146, I'm at 139, 38. It kind of pivots between those 2 points at the moment. And my goal is to lose 20 before the end of the year. And then just eventually carry on. You're on keto? Yeah, I used to be, like when I was powerlifting, I used to be like hardcore into keto, eh? My diet for the last 3 years, or for the 3 years that I was powerlifting, was coffee in the morning, tea and almonds. Lunchtime it would be bacon and eggs or any game meat, like, you know, deer, wild pork, anything like that. Fish. In the evenings would just be strictly protein. And I will not lie, my dinner for the last 3 years when I was powerlifting was a whole rotisserie chicken on its own. That was my diet for 3 years of my life doing powerlifting. And it was cool, and then one day I just woke up, I was like, I don't want to do powerlifting anymore, I want to do something else. Yeah, so what was my weight total? I can't even remember, eh? Like I can't pull these numbers anymore, but my deadlift was 260. My squat was 220. Yeah, I didn't like going up in 0.5s, only 10s, or up anything other than that was bitch things to me, that's what I call it. And my bench was my weakest. It was a 160. Yeah, kgs. We use kgs here. But yeah, I can't pull those numbers anymore. I probably could if I wanted to get back into it, but nah. I'm more focused around trying to be fit to keep up with my kids. And I really enjoy jiu-jitsu now. Yeah, jiu-jitsu is fun. Don't get me wrong, love the cutting, but just sitting down and having a chat is almost talking to my... Yeah, all good the hell. All good, brother. Just keep yarning, my bro. Because my neck is sore. Better than me. I can't pull half of those. You know, just keep training. And one thing, the mindset I had back then is I prized brute strength above anything else. like I did move a lot as well. Like I wasn't some, you know, heavy breathing powerlifter. But yeah, brute strength was something I really always prized as well. And eating didn't really, like, eating for flavor. I didn't really give a shit about that kind of stuff back then. It was just eat for results. That was my mindset around then. That's the powerlifter in you speaking here, bro. Yeah, it's yeah, that was pretty much my mindset around then. Like, that was in the 3 years that I was at the carving school too, so I was quite big in terms of like width and everything, and the mass that I was holding on my body. But at the same time, I felt good. I felt like I was, you know, fit as well. But yeah, then just one day I just woke up and I was like, I want to do something different. Have you competed? Once. It was at my uncle's gym. I love the apron. Thank you, brother. Oh, thank you, Fire. Jeez, I just saw your photo in the name. Why? Aroha Fire. Not to call you brother. On just watching trash animal. I watch anything I can. I'm currently watching BT, a hero with a classic who even needs skills. Kaiju number 8. The anime that you're watching sounds like that bow one, eh? Isn't it? There's one anime that I want to watch. It's this guy's like a goated healer, like he's like a top tier healer, and everyone goes to him. I don't know what it's called though. But yeah, I only read One Piece these days, and I watch it for the cool parts. I couldn't do that. Yeah, bro. It's anyone's capable of pulling those numbers with the training, of course. But the gym I used to go to for powerlifting is HT, if you know it, my bro. I started on my second week at that gym. I pulled 200 kgs as for my deadlift. That was in my second week of powerlifting training. Last time One Piece episode was nuts. Yeah, it gets even better. Trust me, if you only watch it. Yeah, just be in for a ride when the anime episodes catch up to where it is in the book. Thank you, Alex, for the roses, my bro. And Savage, can you join? Where? You're already in the chat, my bro. Been doing some gym to help with the shrimp back problems in July. Oh yeah, nice. Yeah, what am I feeling today? I feel like doing legs today. Do some legs today. We're going for a walk today as well. Is it Who's James and Eli? Thank you very much for the gifties, Fano. And is it Pac Max as well? Who feels like doing legs? Me. You psycho. Bro, I love doing legs, bro. My favorite body part to train is back though. Back and then legs. Yeah, bro, I love doing legs. Oh, I need to, bro. Too much freaking thunder in my legs. Rhino Overkill, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, brother. What's your most memorable moment in streaming? For me? There's been so many. Memorable moment. Oh, that's hard, eh? I guess it was the first one, the first ever stream I did, when I did that art showcase, which eventually skyrocketed our account. That was the first time, you know, experiencing a chat move so fast, and that'll always be that memorable moment for me. That moment, because it's like, holy, how do people even cope with this? So it was kind of like me dipping my toes into the streaming world for the first time. Yeah, definitely their first day, and then eventually, you know, the second day, kind of made the whole channel itself get put on steroids. And I in that first stream of the showcase too, I think we peaked at like 100 viewers. That was crazy. I mean, that's still crazy to me today. I'll never get used to the fact that, you know, no matter what amount of people that are watching is still gonna buzz me out. I miss Raphael. Thank you very much for the roses. Hey brother, hope you're having a blessed day. Hey Big Bong, I'm having a good day, brother. Other than my neck pains, I'm just sitting down and having a yarn with everyone. And I'm glad everyone let me, because I stream a guilty when I'm not doing anything for you guys. What is the Maori word of the day? Maori word of the day. That's a hard one. You put me on the spot because now I'm thinking of 20 words to say. Fuck, which one? Kia ora user, kei te pēhea koe, Azuma and Arkin, thank you very much for the roses. Do you know the clip that made you famous? Yep. I don't like watching it though. I don't watch it. Just nice to chill on the stream. Yeah, all good, brother. All good. Hey, what up, Ghost King? How are you, my bro? Came a long way, dude. Yeah, bro. Like I always say, I'm grateful to even get through a month of streaming, let alone 5 years now. And excited for next year too, because at the same time, I'm in the mindset now where I want to change what I'm doing. Like, obviously I'll still be doing Whakairo, but there's other things that I want to try too in life in terms of streaming. And it's just a matter of trying to figure out how to do them. I probably won't do much IRL unless it's anything to do with showcasing my culture. Or going to eat a 15 patty burger. You ever played Dispatch? I have the game. I'm waiting so we can stream it. Yeah, that's one IRL stream that I'd probably like to do. Trying to attempt at eating the 15 meat patty burger at Fat Brothers. Down at the lakefront. I have a question. What is Tuhoi? Tuhoi is the name of one of my tribes, and he's also the name of my ancestor. He was the youngest of the 3 brothers. Ueimua, Tāne Moiahi, and Tuhoi. So they were the 3, like the 3 big dogs in my history, in my ancestry as well. They had a sister too, but she moved here. They have a sister, sorry. So the reason why the youngest is the most renowned out of the 3 brothers, so Tuhoi and Tāne Moiahi, they went to war against Ueima, who was the brother. And basically there was a moment in that war that ended with Tuhoi, unaliving his older brother. So in a sense, in those days, one of the biggest statements people could make in those days was, consuming them. But what he did, so he slew Ueimu in front of everyone, in front of all his followers. Got his patu, wedged it in, opened it up, and he went, grabbed the heart, and he ate it in front of everyone. So in a sense with that, the reasonings behind that is when they did those kind of things back in the day, it's more so he took his mana, he took his reputation, that kind of, if you look at it from that context. So he did that, and he became the big cheese pretty much in history. So, as he lived his life, he got older, and then he moved here to live with his sister. Then eventually he went up north, and then he went on the west coast of the country to Kawhia, eventually where his nephews found him. And then, in his old age, his nephews were pursuing him in order to unalive him pretty much. And they eventually did because of his old age, but he did, you know, give them a bit of a how's it going as well in his old age. So that's one thing on one of my things in life that I want to go do is go up to Kawhia and go to the spot where he's buried. And just to, you know, be in the presence of my ancestor who's buried up there. One thing that our tribe was always renowned for in days of old is a quote that came out of it, or a proverb, which goes, Ko tahi nā tūhoe ka kata te pō, which basically translates to when tūhoe gather for war, the goddess of death, you know, is happy. Because what we were renowned for was winning wars with small numbers. Yeah, they're like no survivors kind of thing. And that's the goddess of death saying, yay, feeding time pretty much. So that's a proverb that's been passed down through the generations. That's tied to our tribe too. And in this day and age, our tribe is probably the most defiant against the government. And I won't lie, so am I. Where did you learn this? Family. School. What karakia do you do for carving? White hairs. I do a white hair. This message is from God. If it is God, you got an L name, White Scar 1-4. Come on, if you're God, you should have God as your original tag. No special characters. L username, bro. Jack Rack, thank you very much for the gifties, bro. Yeah, like even in saying that too, like when it comes to Christianity, obviously some of our ancestors did convert to it. There were some of us that didn't, like even me. I don't follow any faith other than the beliefs of my own people. Like I never follow a faith that was brought here on a canoe by another people. Like I only believe in Maori gods. Like even when I get stopped in town, you know, there's people that go, do you want to learn about this and that? And this one lady, oh my gosh. Because we finished carving, we had just finished carving, and she goes, you're gonna go to HELL because you're ruining God's creation. I said, oh okay, I'll make sure I take some sausages while I go there. And she didn't know what to say and she walked away. I was like, oh jeez, just trying to do my job. Where are we? Did you hear about me, Ty? Yeah bro, it was sad hearing about that, brother. Yeah, that's always my answer for that. Yeah, make sure I take some sausages then. How are you? I'm good, my bro. Other than my pink neck, I'm good. Good. Davey, you know what it is if you can spell it properly without even knowing. Stop lying. Greetings from the UK. Kia ora, brother Jack. How are you, bro? Stuffed my pockets full of marshmallows. That's crazy. I'll give. I'm 20. Give me an advice. When you ask for advice, you say some advice, please. There you go. Remember to use your manners. Always use your manners. Thank you very much, Jack Rig. God damn, brother. Holy. What is going ham? Calm down, my friend. Calm down. The Mongolian Messiah. Thank you very much for the heart as well. Thank you very much, Jack Rig. Where are we over here? Sure you've heard about GTA 6 delayed. Wait, it got delayed again? Oh, bro. How far back is GTA going now? Who inspired you to stream? The streamer by the name of Squirt in HD. I watched him for many months and then come to find out later on that we're actually cousins. Yeah, so he was the one that actually inspired me to stream. Yo, no name, thank you very much for the galaxy. Why do you have no name in your username? Ah, shit. Thank you very much for the galaxy, my bro. Yeah, so the stream I watched for like months, and then I find out because he said where my hometown name, and I was like, hey, how do you know about that place? And he went, oh, I'm from there. And I was like, no way, we're actually cousins. So yeah, I've been subscribed to him for about, if I carried on as sub and he carried on streaming, we would have been there like 91 months. Yeah, if we carried on. Yeah, it would have been at 91 months. Yeah, bro, small world, bro. Yo, what's up, Addison? Thank you very much for the 67 months, bro. 6, 7. Oh my gosh, don't say that. I will kick a freaking horse. No, I don't even know what their 6, 7 stuff means. Because my kids are like, hey, Dad, 6, 7. I'm like, go and clean your fucking room. 6, 7, your fellas' beds. Bro, I have no idea what that 6, 7 stuff means, eh? Thank you very much, Jack Rake. Yeah, like, how did that even schoolyard brain rot? Oh, okay, now it makes sense. Now it makes sense, yes. I didn't know it was brain rot stuff. Like that, oh, what's that other bullshit? Valentina Cappuccina? They sing that song all the time. I'm like, oh my gosh. See, what do you think about Valentina Cappuccina dancing? I think Valentina Cappuccina should go get fucked. She's annoying. Made up wins. Yeah, so apparently Valentina Cappuccina is a ballerina. Oh, what the fuck's the other one's name? There's another one called something Assassino. Is like an assassin. I was like, you dumbasses can't even drink coffee. Shut up. I think brain rot between different cultures is funny. Oh, bro, it's weird, bro. This is what happens when I have a younger brother in high school. Yeah, because my kids... Yeah, my kids always go to their cousins and they come back singing their bullshit. I'm like, oh, what the hell? And they're singing it, and the only thing I can think of is at least sing it in key, use a flat. I just see it as the Generations 21. You need some advice on what? Cappuccino assist? Oh my fucking god. Yeah, bro, all this new stuff, especially being a dad, I understand why my mum was so, what the fuck are you talking about in my day? It all makes sense now, full circle. Thank you, brother Jack Rack, for the roses and all the other gifts before as well, my bro. It's both adorable and concerning. Yeah, I axed that shit out of the house straight away. Like, yeah, I'm watching that shit here. I'm just glad that my big girl likes the Avatar movie. She just finished playing the Avatar game by Ubisoft, I think. I think that's what it's called. From. Thank you, Ryan. Appreciate that, bro. And Jake Rake again. 21, you stupid. Love the positivity, bro. Any advice for a heartbreak? Allow yourself to feel the way you do for now. But, you know, when it comes time to start focusing more on yourself, that's when, you know, you need time. I always said, I will always quote my war chief in times of heartbreak. World of Warcraft War Within trailer. In the words of Thrall, you needed time, but time alone heals nothing. So it's what you do within that time of healing is where your healing will be super effective, okay? +1 on healing by focusing on self. Whether it be physically, mentally, or being creative. Do not dwindle in your house in the same setting as well. Change it up, change your scenery, and then focus more on yourself. Remember, you're not Wolverine. Can't heal that fast. Takes time. Love you, broski. Hey, much love to you too, brother. Big Red and Lab. Thank you very much for the aroha. You are the light in this world. I will be the lamppost that is wielded by Jax himself. Hey, Zoddy, how are you? Yeah, someone on YouTube asking. Where are we? Thank you for the tiny dinosaur. It's your boy 999. Wait, so if GTA got delayed again, how far back is it now? Like how much waiting do we have to do now? Hey, Gurf. Is it Abidra? Thank you very much for the aroha as well. I'm a young person who is super successful and but I'm an alcoholic. Oh well, counselling. It's gonna be hard, but don't try and cold turkey it straight away. You have everything you need in your life, my friend. November next year. Oh, Rockstar can suck a hard one. Oh my gosh. So we got to wait another whole year. Bro. What did they get wrong? Nah, you know what it is? They're deep diving on the physics more, I reckon. Far November. I was so excited too. I mean, the whole world is, but yeah. Hello, Martin. How are you, brother? What happened to May? Yeah, it must be still something they're developing right now. Yeah, they shouldn't. They should at least release the trailer they released last year, this year. Fuck. Hey, what up? Hi. Hey, Rudy. Oh, that's mud, bro. Yeah, better for it to take longer, but now you'll see a lot of more games start releasing now that GTA's been pushed back. What's your thoughts on family? They're fucking annoying, but I love them at the same time. That is, yeah, that's family. I love being around my family, no matter how annoying they get. It's, you know, a loud house is sometimes better than a silent one. Although a quiet house is quite good too, but after an hour I'm like, okay, where's my family? This sucks. Well, that's how I get anyway. Yeah. Yeah, it starts to get old real quick. I'll say that much. Damn, so it looks like I gotta play GTA RP for another year. Oh man. Flores, thank you very much for the roses. Kia ora bro, tēnā koe hoa, kai te pēhea koe. Bobeo, hello. Hi, thank you very much for the ferns. I see you like these. Hello my friend, how are you? I am good, thank you for asking. Come by my bro. YouTube, I know, you know, I haven't been the most consistent YouTube streamer, but I really want to try and build our numbers up. I was so close to 500k subscribers, but yeah, the numbers are dwindling off. That I'll take full responsibility for that. Not posting that much and just being no editor Andy, but thankfully there's one of the bros that's helping me edit my shorts. And well, I was about to start this YouTube series with Maori tourism, but the place I was going to this week caught on fire. So I gotta recalibrate and figure out which one I'm gonna start with first. What games are you enjoying at the moment? So I've been playing Ark Raiders. My favorite thing about Ark Raiders is, you know, clapping people with the free loadout and taking all their cool stuff. What else have I been playing? I have been also playing Fellowship. Why am I playing Fellowship? Because they have devs from here, from the country. I play GTA RP as well. I enjoy the acting and voice acting side of it. Same with Red Dead 2. And I've been just taking a break from WoW for now. But I still play it offline. What up? Baby, what did you get? Hang on, shit. No, don't go in the camera. Oh, cool, baby.
No, she's not having it properly.
Oh, shit. Bye. Bye, baby.
Ask her, did she stick to budget?
Did you stick to your budget? Did you? How much money you got left?
None.
Oh, so you kept it in $20? Shit, too much already. What's for lunch? Uber.
No, tell him the
Oh, what are we
truth.
having for lunch?
I was having a
Oh, so you have had lunch. You bastard.
She had a sushi with
So you had lunch without me? Prawns.
Prawns,
Sushi and prawns. Guess I'll have Uber then.
You could have gone else, but you're streaming.
Yeah. Who do I stream for?
Us?
No, you were good. Did you have a good day then?
Are you going for a walk soon?
Yeah. Yeah. Come in. Well done. Hey. Oh, good, eh? Go inside. Leave you on here.
Yeah, go inside.
Okay, how much did she go over her budget by?
Way over her budget.
By how much?
She, oh,
38?
no, it was like,
40? 45?
no, about 40.
Damn!
But she did her own math and she was super proud of herself.
9 plus 10, 21. Just look at the receipt.
No, well, these extras I got. Like, it's the shopping bag, her present bag cost like $8.
Present bag.
And then her card was
Why don't
like,
you just use the ones in the cupboard?
her card, no, she wanted to finish the whole thing. Her card was, where is it, $7.
Yeah, I knew the card would be expensive. It's a freaking Disney one.
Yeah, but see, that already made it over $15.
Far out. Hope I get a $7 card for Christmas.
No, you're gonna get a homemade one.
Yeah, no, just put some Snickers on it like the last one. Give her more money. No, she's fine. I knew you went over. When you stayed, I was like, oh, here we go.
Oh, 35. She went over by, $34.70. $14.70. That's not bad.
She looks proud, selfish.
Anyway, I'll make you a sandwich.
I can't have bread, man. Yeah, so that was GTA 6. I know, bro, but it's so annoying GTA got delayed. Have you watched Physical Asia? No, I haven't, but I gotta watch it because my boy Eddie Joe's on there. Spoil her. Trust me, I am spoiling my daughter for her 5th birthday. Do you know what she wants? She wants a bucket of king prawns. That's the only thing she wants. That is legit the present she wants from us. King prawns, a bucket of it. And the other silver lining is that we have to shell them all. Yeah, my daughter loves her prawns, man. I was like, bro, what in the sophisticated food palette is going on here? I was like, what was I eating at 5? Oh, venison, I guess, but, you know, I shot it myself. Jeez. Yeah. King prawns. One of her other favorite foods is mushrooms. Do you read TikTok comments? Yeah, it's just a bit hard because Jake Rex going absolutely hamburger. Thank you very much as well, Christopher Hayes. I see you, brother. So yeah, I gotta buy a big bucket of freaking king prawns next week and shell them all. Yes, Lord. Only prawns. Yeah, she loves mushrooms on toast. She's I see myself in her. She just loves food, man. But I'm glad it's like not like takeaways or any of that shit. What's your nationality? Maori, brother. So indigenous people of Aotearoa. So yeah, she's a bit of a sophisticated one. She doesn't like sushi. She had a salmon sushi one day. She looked at it and went, poked out the salmon and just ate the rest. Yeah, pretty much popped all the nice stuff out and just went. I was like, that's a crime. What's your favourite food? Free one, but if I have to be more specific, California roll with a nice udon. Oh, I love Japanese food. But I'm struggling to keep my head up properly. Oh no, yeah, I'm good here. How does she like her prawns? Served in a plate by anyone else but herself. Yeah, bro. Hydration check. I must do that. What is the time? Oh, it's almost 12:30. Shizer! It's almost time to go for our walk. Sorry. Oh, Ducky's awake. Shit. Hey, baby. Hey. Wanna come say goodbye? I'll get her in. Gonna get the baby chat. She can come, you know, sign off with me as well for the day. Hey! Hey, mate. Oh. Hey, Ducky. Wanna say goodbye to everybody? No? Alright, normally how we do this, we start with TikTok first, okay? So TikTok, I want to say thank you very much for yet another amazing TikTok stream and day, of course. I hope you all enjoyed it. What's up, baby? She's awake. It's alright, her face will change in a month. Alright, TikTok, have a good day. I'll see you around. GG's. Yeah, I don't normally show my kids on stream chat, but her face will look totally different in a month, so it's alright. And I had to pick her up before she exploded anyway. Yeah. You good? Twitch, Kick and YouTube, thank you very much for an amazing day. Yeah, it's been good. Had a pretty consistent week so far. Just remember on weekends. Oh. On the weekends it's evening streams, okay? Unless I'm allowed to by wifey to stream during the day for carving. I wonder, do you want to listen to some music, Twitch? Don't leave yet, Kick in YouTube. Who wants to listen? Who wants to listen to some singing? Yeah, kukui. I'm gonna send you to a. I'm gonna send you to a singer who's also a Twitch partner. Is it Slash Ray D? His name is retired Uncle Fred. Alright? Gonna send you over to retired Uncle Fred. He is a kaumatua or karaua who is singing on stream. He he's a very wholesome man and an absolute legend. So please go through and go and show some love to retired Uncle Fred. Okay? He's having a bit of a sing. I'll see you around. Say bye bye. Say bye bye to Twitch, and then we'll say bye bye to the others. If I get the chance to chat, I will see you this evening as well. It will either be Dispatch or we will continue with The Hobbit, okay? I think we need to read more. For now, peace out. Bye. Say bye to Twitch. No? Okay. Have a good one, okay guys? And see you around. See you later as well, YouTube. Thank you very much for being here today. Your presence has been absolutely bloody amazing.